Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to be unboxing the LEGO Speed Champions Ferrari F40. I was just looking through around my room and I just found this chilling here, so I'm like, I might as well build it. It's just been collecting dust. Just gave it a good dust off. It still has a bit of dust on top. But still, look at this. Very beautiful. Anyways, guys, let's pop her open and review it. So yeah, probably just build it. Good, dude. I don't know how to open the Lego. Haven't opened a video Lego ever in a while. My phone. Wow, look here. We got all the pieces, the rims. I have never ever built it. Here's the base. I've never built a Lego car before. It's been so long since I've done this. Wow, so let's just take a good look at the pieces and just kind of see what is here. Got a lot of pieces. Here is the booklet. That is very good looking. Okay, alright then. I guess I will follow the instructions and speed up the video. Oh, here are the stickers. I was looking for them. But anyways, yeah, let's get the building. Alright guys, we finished the LEGO Speed Champions Ferrari. here it is, looking real nice. I'm really pissed off about the stickers on the headlights. It looks fine, but like you see, there's like a pretty kind of big gap right there, and the other one looks normal, but yeah. Still, it looks pretty awesome. But yeah, see you guys next time. See ya.